Hello everyone. Let us start our today's science class with the thought given on the slide. Dear God, today I woke up. I am healthy. I am alive. I am blessed. I apologize for all my complaining. I am truly grateful for all you have done in my life. So children, say these lines every day and be grateful towards the God. Today we will study the concept pH of solution. pH is a scale used to specify acidity or basicity of an aqueous solution. pH means potential of hydrogen or power of hydrogen. We have seen that acids and bases dissociate to a smaller or larger extent on dissolving in water, forming H plus and OH minus ions respectively. H plus and OH minus ions are found in different proportions in all natural aqueous solutions, and that determines the properties of those solutions. Children, you all are knowing the definitions of strong acids, strong base, weak acid, weak base, and alkali. Strong acids and strong base, they both dissociate completely when dissolved in water. Weak acid and weak base, on dissolving in water, they do not dissociate completely, and the resulting aqueous solution contain H plus ion and concerned acidic radical in small proportion along with large proportion of undissociated molecules of acid in case of weak acid, and in weak base there are small proportion of OH ions and concerned basic radical with large proportion of undissociated molecules of the base. So when acids and bases, they dissolve in water, they form H plus ion and OH minus ions respectively. For example, the proportion of H plus and OH minus ions divides soil into the acidic, neutral and basic types of soil. It is necessary for blood cell sap to have H plus and OH minus ions in certain definite proportions for their proper functioning. Fermentation carried out with the help of microorganisms, other biochemical processes, and also many chemical processes require the proportion of H plus and OH minus ions to be maintained within certain limits. The proportion of H plus and OH minus ions divides the soil into acidic, neutral and basic types of soil. If H plus ion concentration is more, then the soil becomes acidic. If OH minus ions will be more, then the soil becomes basic. And if there is a equal proportion of H plus and OH minus ions, then the soil becomes neutral. So the concentration of H plus and OH minus ions will decide whether the soil is acidic, basic or neutral in nature. Fermentation is carried out with the help of microorganisms. So all these biochemical processes and many other chemical processes, they require a certain fixed proportion of H plus and OH minus ions. Pure water also undergoes dissociation to a very small extent and gives rise to H plus and OH minus ions in equal proportion. Water dissociates and it forms H plus and OH minus ions, and pure water possesses equal proportion of both the types of ions, H plus and OH minus ions. Due to this property of water to undergo dissociation, there exist both H plus and OH minus ions in any aqueous solution. However, their concentration may be different. This chart shows pH of various substances. 1 molar hydrochloric acid has pH 0, strong acid. HCl is very strong acid. 1 molar HCl is very strong acid. Gastric juice has pH 1, lemon juice 2.5, vinegar 3, tomato juice 4.1, black coffee 5, acid rain 5.6. Acidic rain directly affects the chemical and pH balance of the groundwater as well as other water bodies. Do you know, children, acid rain has various effects on the living world? Acid rain can cause serious damage to human respiratory system if inhaled deeply. Damaged respiratory system means decreased oxygen in the blood supply, which eventually damages the heart. Animals that cannot withstand such imbalances, when groundwater becomes acidic, they fail to reproduce and they become deformed due to bone decalcification, and they fail to grow normally and they may even die. Acid rain has pH 5.6. Urine has pH 6. Pure water, sugar solution has pH 7, neutral pH. Blood 7.4, solution of baking soda 8.5. Toothpaste 9.5. Milk of magnesia 10.5. Lime water 11. And 1 molar NaOH solution has 14 pH. Uh, Antacids are the medicine which contains bases such as aluminum hydroxide and magnesium hydroxide, and they are utilized to neutralize the excess acid which is present in the stomach. Food is decomposed by microorganisms present in the mouth, which further results in the formation of acid and which is responsible for the tooth decay. Toothpastes help in neutralizing the effect of acid because they are alkaline in nature. So, children, have you got the clear idea that mm, uh, how the pH is going to differ for various substances because of presence of H plus ions and OH minus ions. If H plus ions are more, then the substance will have acidic pH, means the strength of acid and base, it is measured from 0 to 14, and this scale is pH scale. So various substances, they have pH according to the presence of H plus ions and OH minus ions in them. When the pH value is between 0 to 7, the solution is acidic in nature. When the pH value of solution is 7, then the solution is neutral in nature. And when the pH value lies between 7 to 14, then the solution is basic in nature. Strong base, 1 molar NaOH has pH 14 and 1 molar HCl has pH 0. Hydrogen ion concentration is shown here. 10 raised to 0 hydrochloric acid has concentration 10 raised to 0 mole per liter. So the pH is 0 for hydrochloric acid. Likewise, the hydrogen ion concentration of various substances is given here. Pure water has concentration 10 raised to minus 7 mole per liter, means pH of pure water is 7. It has equal proportion of H plus and OH minus ion. Sodium hydroxide has it has concentration of H ion as 1 multiplied by 10 raised to minus 14 mole per liter. Concentration of H plus ions in NaOH is 1 multiplied by 10 raised to minus 14 mole per liter. So 1 molar NaOH solution has pH 14. Pure water has pH 7, meaning pure water has hydrogen ion concentration as 1 multiplied by 10 raised to minus 7 mole per liter. And this is the midpoint of the pH scale. The pH of acidic solution is less than 7 and that of the basic solution is greater than 7. The concentration of H plus ions formed by dissociation of water at 25 degree centigrade is 1 multiplied by 10 raised to minus 7 mole per liter. At the same temperature, the concentration of H plus ions in 1 molar solution of HCl is 1 multiplied by 10 raised to 0 mole per liter. Means 1 molar solution of HCl has pH 0, while in a 1 molar NaOH solution the concentration of H plus ions is 1 multiplied by 10 raised to minus 14 mole per liter. Means 1 molar NaOH solution has pH 14. Thus we see that in common aqueous solution the range of H plus ion concentration is very wide, from 10 raised to 0 to 10 raised to minus 14 mole per liter. In 1909, the Danish scientist Sorensen introduced a convenient new scale of expressing H plus ion concentration, which is found to be very useful in chemical and biochemical processes. It is the pH scale, pH power of hydrogen. The pH scale extends from 0 to 14. According to this scale, pure water has pH 7, meaning pure water has H plus concentration is equal to 1 multiplied by 10 raised to minus 7 mole per liter. pH 7 indicates a neutral solution. This pH is midpoint of the scale. The pH of an acidic solution is less than 7 and that of basic solution is greater than 7. Clear to you all? We will see the concept universal indicators in next video.